This video explains how a user should check a file that's being imported and possibly um, fix it up. What's going on here? I have a split screen that's goofed up here. Let me do this. Okay, the import icon is here, but before you do it, well, I guess I could do as far as looking at the files that I have to import. If I'm going to import this one, I want to look at it first. So I'm going to hit cancel. It's 124 PFF, provided by a customer. Oh no, I don't want to open anything. Good. Okay. Anyway, if I go and I look at that, all right, this isn't what I expected. Everything is run together. There's no line ends or something, which is going to mess things up. So I guess maybe I should open it in Word or something first. I don't know. Let's try. I'll try that. Um, that's a little better. So now I'm going to save it with line ends or whatever that is. Got text. I still want it as no extension because that's what the import expects. So let's call it PFF underscore A. Oh, and now it says I want the line breaks or MS-DOS or whatever. MS-DOS, insert line break, and yeah, I think you need this box checked. So let's do that. Now let's go look at it with Notepad. Okay, so that's one fix that had to be made. Something wrong with the line ends. That's more like it. Okay, redraw. Okay, here's your, well, the end ring's wrong on this one too. It's supposed to be covering up the slots. It's a well pump motor, so naturally its aspect ratio is very long compared to diameter. Let's run it. I think it said run completed. It's reading in the computed data. Flux densities. Look low. Nice and low. Reactances, very high secondary reactance. There's the data. Well, that's the data. That's a pretty good looking chart. That's a good looking chart too. Except for this point here, it looks a little funky. Should probably be off a little bit for some reason, but much better for the import process.